Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change mouse pointer highlight on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and go to your Microsoft Store and just wait for it to load, and in the search bar, type mouse pointer highlight. Just search for this. Then just go to the first app. This is a really small app. Just click on install. And it's gonna install in no time. Just wait. And after the app has been successfully installed, what you need to do is just click on open. And then just minimize this. And just after starting the app, as you can see, my mouse got a highlight. So basically that is how to get a mouse pointer highlight. So basically that is how to change mouse pointer highlight on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.